Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find battery saver. By tapping on this button once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on you can access some of its settings. For example, you can don't wake screen for notifications, you can turn off always on display, you can set it to turn off when device is up to 60% charged, and you can also set a schedule for this mode where you can select start time and end time of battery saver. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.